Hello and welcome back to English Arsenal. I'm Josh.
And I'm Jenny. Josh, how are you today?
Honestly, I'm a bit tired. I looked outside this morning and it was so gray and rainy.
Oh, no. Did it make you want to stay in bed?
Yes, exactly. I just wanted to pull the covers over my head and sleep more.
I totally get that. Rain does that to me too. It's weird how weather affects our mood, right?
It really is. Like when it's sunny, I wake up feeling ready to go, but rainy days, I just feel slow.
Same here. That's kind of funny because that's what we're talking about today, right? We're talking about weather in English.
Exactly. It's the most common small talk topic ever. You can meet someone and just say, terrible weather today, isn't it? And you're having a conversation.
Right. Saying nice day, huh, is totally normal. Today, we're going to help you feel comfortable talking about weather in English.
We'll keep it simple, just normal, everyday English that you can use right away.
So, Josh, what's your favorite kind of weather?
I like cool, cloudy days. Not too hot, not too cold. I like it when there's a nice breeze.
I love sunny days. I'm a summer person. Warm and sunny is perfect.
See, that's too hot for me. Everyone's different.
Okay, let's start with some basic phrases, right? To ask someone, the easiest way is, how's the weather? Or, what's the weather like?
Now, how do you answer? You just describe what you see. It's sunny today or it's raining.
Josh, how's the weather where you are right now?
It's cloudy and I think it might rain soon.
My turn. Josh, what's the weather like today?
It's pretty nice. It's warm and there's some sun.
Perfect. Warm and sunny.
Let's talk about hot versus warm. Hot is really, really warm, uncomfortable.
Like when you're sweating. But warm is nice and comfortable.
Yeah, and then we have cold. If it's really cold, you can say it's freezing.
Those are the main temperature words: hot, warm, cool, cold, and freezing.
Very easy. Now let's talk about the sky.
The most common is sunny. When the sun is not out, you say it's cloudy.
And then we have rainy. If it's raining really hard, you can say it's pouring.
There's also a funny expression. It's raining cats and dogs. It means it's raining very, very heavily.
English is weird sometimes. What about snow? Do you get snow where you live, Josh?
Rarely. I maybe see snow once every few years.
When it first snows, it's really nice. You can say it's snowing or it's snowy.
What about wind? Windy days are the worst. The wind messes up my hair.
That's true. Wind and umbrellas don't work well together. So you'd say it's windy today.
You know what else is annoying? When the weather can't decide what it wants to do. It changes throughout the day.
That happens a lot where I live. People say 4 seasons in one day for describing crazy changing weather.
Good idea. Do you check the weather forecast every day?
Yes, every morning on my phone, I need to know what to wear.
You might ask, what's the forecast for today?
And they might answer, it's supposed to rain this afternoon. Supposed to means that's what the forecast says.
But forecasts aren't always right. Sometimes it says rain and then it's sunny. Weather is unpredictable.
It means you can't predict it. The weather here is so unpredictable. Okay, let's talk about seasons. We have spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
Oh, autumn and fall are the same thing. In British English, we say autumn. In American English, people say fall.
So what's your favorite season?
Definitely summer. I love the long days and warm weather.
I think autumn or fall. I love when the leaves change color.
Spring is nice too. Everything is fresh and green.
And winter, I get tired of it after a while. Weather really does affect our mood. Okay, let's practice some conversations. Let's pretend we're meeting for coffee.
Hey Josh, how are you?
I'm good, but wow, this rain is crazy today.
I know, I got completely soaked on the way here.
I hate when the umbrella turns inside out.
All right, see how natural that was. We talked about the rain, getting wet, the umbrella problem.
All right, let's try another one. Weekend plans.
Josh, what are you doing this weekend? I'm thinking about going to the beach. Want to come?
That sounds fun, but did you check the weather?
Yeah, it's supposed to be sunny and warm all weekend.
Perfect beach weather.
True, but you know how unpredictable it can be?
Let's teach some expressions about weather. Do you know under the weather?
It means you're sick. I'm feeling a bit under the weather.
Perfect. There's also every cloud has a silver lining.
It means even bad situations have something good in them. Finding the positive side.
I like that. Here's another one. Come rain or shine.
It means no matter what happens, you'll do it anyway. It shows you're committed.
Should we talk about small talk? Weather is the topic for small talk.
You can't just stand there in silence. You might say, "Nice day, isn't it?" Or, "Crazy weather we're having."
And then boom, you've broken the ice. It means starting a conversation.
Weather is perfect for breaking the ice because everyone experiences it. People love to complain about weather.
Like, it's so hot today, I'm melting. Even if you're complaining, you're connecting with someone.
Should we practice some responses? It's so hot today.
I know, right? I can't wait to get home and turn on the AC.
This rain is ridiculous.
Tell me about it. I forgot my umbrella and got soaked.
See how we're agreeing and adding our own experience? You need to keep the conversation flowing.
What about when someone says something positive, like, what a beautiful day?
You can say, "I know, absolutely gorgeous."
For bad weather, you can use terrible or awful. What terrible rain.
We've covered a lot, but the most important thing is just to practice.
Just pick one or two phrases that you like, use them this week. Little by little, it becomes natural.
Exactly. Learning a language is not a race. It's more like a journey.
Don't be afraid, just go for it. Next time you see someone, try talking about the weather.
These small comments can lead to bigger conversations, and you'll be practicing your English in real life.
All right, everyone, I think that's enough for today.
Thanks so much for listening. I hope you learned something useful.
Subscribe to English Arsenal, leave a comment, and tell us what the weather is like where you are.
All right, everyone, take care, keep practicing, keep learning.
And we'll see you in the next episode. Bye.
Goodbye, stay dry if it's raining, stay cool if it's hot.
Perfect ending. Bye.